Red blood cells.
Red blood cells are the only cells in the body that are anucleated. They are described as plentiful, donut-shaped.
Ikaw muna dito, ako magtataas.
Biconcave din. Okay, so all of these cells are red blood cells. Okay, so they are the most numerous. I want you class to memorize the normal values that are listed in your manual. You may ask them in the practicals. Example, identify cell, either the value. You can give a clinical condition wherein this one is decreased or increased. Okay? So, when it is increased, what do you call that term? Called the polycythemia. Okay? And then this one is decreased in cases of anemia. Okay? So, these are your red blood cells. When they form into stacks like this, we call that the Relu formation. Will it mean in your sample? Para si Nora Honor, and then so these are your erythrocytes or your red blood cells, the most plentiful in the peripheral sphere. Next, we go to white blood cells. White blood cells, class, are not colored white. Okay? Hindi siya, kaya huwag kayong hahanap ng puti. These are
Platelets.
platelets. Okay? Another term, thrombocytes. They occur in clusters. So nakikita kayo ng mga fragments. These are fragments of your metakaryocytes. They are the smallest blood elements. So these are the thrombocytes or your platelets. A decrease in the number of your platelets from its normal value will cause bleeding. Okay? Very important siya sa blood. So we look for other cells. Ano na lang ma-encounter? Ano yung tinuturo mo? Sila? Ang manual mo. This one are thrombocytes as well. Okay? Pero ito class, artifact lang naman. Ha? Hindi yan lymphocyte.
Ano daw yung malaki niya? Basophil yan. Baso. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi ko alam yan. Nagkaroon to ng leukemia. Leukemia, walang white blood cells. Hihingin ko sa kanya, pero kukunin ko yun. USB. Bibigay ako ng USB sa kanya. Sumaray.
Ayan. This is supposed to be a neutrophil, pero pangit siya. Okay. Last, this one is an artifact. May wala mag-drawing yan na. Artifact lang yan. There's no one from the other. Yung mga iba nakakalat na fragments, those are your thrombocytes. This one is supposed to be neutrophil. Okay? Neutrophil has about 3 to 4 lobes. Ito. We will just demo yung mga magagandang cells. So just to show you, neutrophils are 3 to 4 lobes. May multi-lobe siya with neutral granules. Neutral fine granules. The white blood cells are divided into two. You have your granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes would either be the neutrophil, which has your neutral fine granules, meaning to say it's neither red nor blue. On the other hand, the other granulocytes are the eosinophils that has your reddish granules, bilobe nucleus, granular tayo later, and then basophils, very uncommon in the peripheral smear. They have their bluish granules. Class, this one is a lymphocyte. Okay. Yeah. Let's say lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are part of your agranulocytes, meaning they do not have any granules. They have, lymphocytes have very scanty cytoplasm. Look at that. It is almost occupied, the whole cell is almost occupied by the nucleus. The thing that is surrounding the nucleus is the scanty cytoplasm. Lymphocytes are almost equal of your red blood cells. However, the eos and the basophils are almost the lymphocytes. I think it's better there for them. Oh, this one. Hello. Kailangan sex pa lang. Oh, wala. Ayan. This cell has reddish granules. So what do you call them? That is your eosinophils. The granules are supposed to be coarser siya pag minumove mo yung fine and shrubsman. And the nucleus is just supposed to be bilobe. Unlike the neutrophils, which are about 3 to 4, or you call that multi-lobe. Hindi maganda ito. So that's the eosinophils. Example. Now, if you like to see basophils, meron ba rito may allergy ngayon o kaya may parasite, kukunan natin ang dugo.
Jigs.
O mukhang may bulate, pwede ng volunteer. Huwag yung mukhang bulate, ha? Because basophils and eosinophils may increase during parasitic infection, allergic reaction. How about neutrophils? When do you see an increase in your neutrophils? Bacterial infection. Class, what is pointed on your feet? Lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are increased during chronic infection, especially yung mga tuberculosis. O sino dyan na mukhang may TB? Kakuha ng tugo. O, ito, identify. Eosinophil. Very good.
Eosinophil pala yun.
Class, the rest are your chromocytes. So I want you to draw a field, just a field. Bilog lang siya or rectangle, you know, there are plenty of red blood cells, and you scatter the different types of WBCs. Kahit hindi pa natin nakikita, mag-imagine na muna kayo. Now we will just demo them later. Okay? Any questions?
Okay na, ma'am.
Lymphocytes have very scanty cytoplasm, smaller than your eosinophils.
Hindi mo ginawa yun dito.
Mag-imagine ka.
Bad yun, bad.
Saka granulocytes yun. Yan, tama. That's the rule of formation. No. These are chromocytes. Okay? Yep. Violet na siya. Violet. Hindi makita eh. Oh, class, what is this?
Neutrophil.
How did you know these are neutrophils?
Trilobe.
Ayan, no? Diba? Multi-lobe siya, and then it has very fine granules. Okay? O, ano to? Emphasize. Ito. Ano ito? Oh. What is it?
Neutrophil.
Neutrophil. This is not an eosinophil. Sabi ko siya, bilobe ng eosinophil. Rest are your erythrocytes. Oh, this one last. The last case. Yan. Ano yan? Yung dark sa gitna. Artifact. Okay? Tina, I just want you to know the difference between yan. Artifact ba yan?
Yes.
Yan ang artifact ng kanina lymphocytes. Baka naman lahat ng isagot ko yung artifact. Pag hindi na kayo mapasa sa board yan, wala naman tanong sa board exam. Artifact. Oh, ano yan? Hindi ko alam. You cannot see here from class, no? Hindi niya siya you cannot describe if it's an eos or an eosinophil.
Bilobe siya, di ba?
Kaya hindi natin. We will not ask class something that is questionable also. Okay? Hindi naman kami ganun kasama. Kasama, pero hindi na siya.
Papatangkad ako.
Ay, Mr. Dito, pero ikaw naman nakatayo.
Ma'am, nagpapatangkad po ako, ma'am.
Ako nagtayo. Yan. Ano yan ka? Sa'yo yan, skills na yan.
Neutrophil.
There are
Eosinophil.
2 neutrophils there and a lymphocyte, right?
Ay, ano.
Good. Jackpot na kagad sa pagbibilang nito. Oh, ano to? Artifact na. Siyempre, pag sagot niya gano'n, sagot ko iba. Pero namang opposition, palagi na ano. Oh, pinapangit na
Neutrophil.
Very good.
Artifact.
RT.
Art.
Para masanay kayo. This one kaso is in formation. Patong-patong siya. Huh?
Cute.
Some RDPs have very light staining in the middle because of the absence of this one. Mukha siyang donut na hilaw.
Donut na walang butas sa gitna.
Okay, you work on it. Going na kayo. Oh, this one, ano to? Last. Yun yan, yun.
Ayo.
Yun.
Bakit mo?
Yun. Bakit? Kasi yun. Huwag nila titignan yun na yun. See? Yan o. Very fine guys. Galing mo sir nito.
Neutrophil.
Just demo with the rest of the class.
Okay na? Tapos na.